All right, working away on Andy's 05 2500 Dodge Ram restoration. Matthew's got the frame blasted. We've got the frame coated with PO15, and now we're working on the internal coatings, so stick around. All right, so as I mentioned, we've got the frame blasted. Matthew's got the frame coated with POR15. And now what we're doing is we're doing the internal coatings, and this is what we use for this. It's an Eastwood product. It's got a really cool wand that comes with it. Matthew put a little welding rod on here to kind of stiffen it up as he pulls it out. But basically it's got a head that sprays and a fan. Works really good. So bottom line is we went through 2 cans to do this frame. And Matthew's going to get to coating the frame, and we'll move forward with that.
That could have been bad.
That works really good. So next item, Andy had a little transfer case issue. As you can see, there's something missing here. But minor crack, we're gonna get this all taken care of. We got this all prepped and ready to go for the welding. The internals of the transmission were minty, so we're gonna just do an easy rebuild for Andy, just bearings and seals. That's all it needs. Get that welded up. Stay tuned for what's next. So next steps on Andy's truck, we got a 1-piece aluminum drive shaft coming for this that we had made. We have shocks, all new steering components, all new shocks, steering stabilizers, braces, redhead steering gear, basically de-dodging this front end here, and gonna do it all the upgrades we need. So those will be our next steps. Get the engine bay detailed up nice here, do some performance work, probably gonna replace the turbo on it. Again, do some cosmetic detailing. And she's coming along. Meanwhile, Matthew's coating the insides of the chassis up good, making her like new.